Hello everyone, in this video will be some fifth problem of Project Euler. So, we have to find digit fifth powers. So, you essentially take all the digits, raise them to the fifth power, and add them all up. And if it's the number you started with, it's a digit fifth power. Then you have to find the sum of all of them, and that's the answer. So first we need something to store our fifth powers. So we'll have a list here. Then we'll have something to split up the digits. So we'll have this. And then we'll loop through all possible possibilities. Don't ask me how I got the last number, it's just some math behind it. And now we should turn it back into an integer list or a string list. So now we'll iterate for all of the digits. And we'll take them to the power of 5. Now, if they add up to be what we started with, it is a digit fifth power. So we add it to the list. And then we just add them all up. And we can run it. It does take like a couple of seconds, but does it get done nonetheless? And that is indeed correct. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.